All right, y'all. So my car headlights were starting to dim again, so I decided to get these headlight bulbs for the car. Now, for those of you who don't know, HID stands for high intensity discharge, and they're in my experience, these headlights are a lot brighter and they last a little bit longer than traditional light bulbs. They last about 3,500 hours on your car, and so. I got these light bulbs because again, mine were starting to go dead, and I've been using HID light bulbs for a while. Just because they're brighter, you can see more, and I live in a dark wooded area down on the outskirts of Atlanta, so it really helps being able to see a little bit better. So these came quick, and guys, these take about 5 to 10 minutes to install. You can install them yourself. Your wife can do it. If you got if you have a wife, if you have a girl, like it's very easy to install. Okay, it's very simple. It comes with the instructions on how to install them. But if you can't install them yourself, or if you just don't feel like it, just take it up to your nearest body shop or auto shop, and they should be able to install them for you nice and quick. So, highly recommend these. And yeah, guys. Boom. Got them from Amazon. Peace.